we're going to explore the wonderful factory which is making the laser cutting machines. This is going to be great and it's going to be wonderful. I'm Steven and this is Angie.
Yeah, hello everyone, this is Angie from Leapion Machinery. So it's our great honor to have you here.
Yeah, sure.
Let's visit our factory and learn more magic things of our factory
Yes.
and our company. Yeah.
Yes, we're from Leapion Company Limited, professional manufacturer of the laser cutting machines. Later on, you're gonna see the mega factory. You're gonna see how big it is and how many employees we have here.
Yeah.
Before that, please now take a look at it all how big this factory is. It's a mega factory. Indeed, it is, right?
Yes.
So, how many people you have in your in your factory here?
Yes. In our factory, we have over 300 employees.
Okay.
Yeah, to handle the production process.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a lot, huh?
Yes.
A lot of people.
Yeah, you can say it's a super factory and it takes up over 40,000 square meters.
40,000 square meters.
Yes.
Well, that's too big. That's way too big.
Yeah.
So we can make actually a lot of machines within 1 month or 1 year, huh? Okay, very good.
Yeah.
So let's move forward and see what we can see here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And in the meantime, guys, if you have any questions, you would like to know any kind of things, please never hesitate to drop a comment in the comment section.
And please follow us.
Yes, we have this.
Yeah.
Please follow us and get the product catalog.
Yes.